This is Ajahn Tim's Mindful Moments. Good afternoon. I've been helping my friend Spike with his mindfulness practice here on the beach. And Spike's doing pretty well in walking meditation. He's been up and down a little track here a few times. And so we're just going to take a little break and review. So here he is. Here's Spike. Say hello to everyone, Spike. Says he's doing quite well. Still thinking too much. Let's see. Yeah, well, this is how. So, Spike, when you're walking from here up to our little cabin and back. Yeah, so you're aware of your feet in the sand. Yeah. And your wind blowing. And what do you see? See things passing by. And you see those berries on the bush. I see. And you're thinking about whether they're good to eat or not. And are they ripe? Here's the problem, you see. You see something and you start thinking. You're wondering whether it's good, whether you want to eat it or not. So if you just stay with seeing, you just see berries. What color are they? And you see the light on them. Are they moving with the tree? You see? So you just stay with that. Watch them come into your view, yeah, and then watch them pass away as you walk by. See their color? And that's all. Just stay there. As soon as we start thinking about it, then we've lost it, haven't we? We're no longer there. We're all thinking about what could be and might be. Yeah? Okay, go and try again. See, this is the thing. Mindfulness is just very simple, stay in the present. So in Spike, he knows his path very well, but he notices his mind just gets drawn into, some berries in the bush. Are they good? You can taste them. And then suddenly we go off into a story. So we'll get him, it'll take him a little while to come back. That's the big difference. See, meditation and mindfulness are the same thing, pretty much. It's just about being now. And often when Spike's problem is he says he thinks too much because he's everywhere else. But today we've been exercising, been walking up and down. He's gradually getting there, you know. You see? Oh, there he is. How'd you get on, Spike? Yeah, sounds good. So you're happy? Do you think you can continue? Yeah? Doing the same thing? Yeah, see, mindfulness is actually very simple. It's just about being here. Yeah? With what is, not what could be, but what is. You mean, what's next? There is no next. This is it.
Okay, cut.